Hello dear student, how are you? In this lecture, I am going to discuss about types of hydrocarbon. Under the organic compound, I want to discuss about the types of hydrocarbon. All the hydrocarbons further divided into two parts. Open chain hydrocarbon and closed chain hydrocarbon. Means these are further divided in basically two parts. Open chain hydrocarbons and second one closed chain hydrocarbon. Open chain hydrocarbon as well as closed chain hydrocarbon. Okay. Now, first of all, I want to discuss about open chain hydrocarbon. Yes, I will discuss now about first part, that is known as open chain hydrocarbons. This is the A part. What do you mean by the open chain hydrocarbons? And these are also known as aliphatic hydrocarbon. Especially open chain hydrocarbon means those hydrocarbon in which all the carbon atoms are present in open chain. Then such hydrocarbons are known as open chain hydrocarbon. For example, as a lot of carbon atoms attached with each other and their chain must be open. These are present in an open chain. We can see, you can also realize that both the ends are open. More number of carbon atoms are attached here as well as here. Such hydrocarbon in which all the carbon atoms are present like this are known as open chain hydrocarbon. These are further divided in two parts, and first part is saturated hydrocarbon and second part unsaturated hydrocarbon. First category is known as saturated hydrocarbon and other category unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, then first of all about saturated hydrocarbons. Now we are going to explain about saturated hydrocarbons. Those hydrocarbons which contain only sigma bond, means which contain only single bond. Those hydrocarbons which contain only single bond means all the carbon atoms are attached with each other through single bond. Then such hydrocarbons are known as saturated hydrocarbon. Their general name alkane and their general formula CnH2n plus 2. Here you know, n are the number of carbon atoms. Then the number of hydrogen atom are double plus 2. Comparison with carbon. And bonding only single bond. Right? For example, we can write example here. A C1, then H must be N. If we place 1 in place of N, then H must be 2 2 jar 4, 2 2 jar 2 1 jar 2, plus 2 4. Concentrate on this formula. Concentrate to yourself on account of this formula. Then you will notice 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. And since it has 1 carbon you know, C1 may, and number of hydrogen atom are just double plus 2. That's why now it is known as methane. N, this is the suffix, and prefix decided on account of the number of carbon atom, right? As if we take in here carbon 2, then 2 2 jar 4 and plus 2 6. Follow this formula. Place 2 in place of N, then carbon 2 hydrogen 2 2 jar 4 plus 2 makes 4 6, and 2 carbon H. The prefix of 2 carbon atom stand for H, and 6 carbon, this is known as ethane. If there are 4 carbon, then number of hydrogen 4 2 jar 8 to 10. And number of carbon atom 4 used to stand for but, and suffix is ane, means butane. Okay, all these belongs to saturated hydrocarbon whose common name is alkane. And now I want to prove that all these compounds have only single bond. All the carbon atom attached with each other through single bond, and we can take example of any one carbon atom. Like on taking the example of C2H6, known as ethane. Now I want to explain its bond structure so that you can confirm that it contains only single bond. C2H6 is known as ethane. No doubt, ethane. And here carbon atom 6 atomic number, having 4 electron in its outermost shell. And I hope everybody know carbon is tetravalent in nature, so it has tendency to form 4 covalent bond in each and every compound, right? 6 carbon atoms are here, and hydrogen has only 1 electron in its outermost shell, so it can form only 1 covalent bond. Now how will you represent its bond structure? C. This is the carbon atom, nucleus. This one is the outermost shell of carbon atom, and having 4 electrons, 1 2 3 4 electrons. These are the 4 electrons. Okay, this is one carbon atom, and this one is the another carbon atom. This is another carbon atom. It has also 4 1 2 3 4 electrons. This one is the another carbon atom, and it has also 4 electrons. One carbon atom is this, other carbon atom is this. And now each and every carbon atom used to perform bonding with other 3 hydrogen atoms. This one hydrogen atom sharing of 1 electron. This one is the another hydrogen atom sharing of 1 electron. This is the another hydrogen atom sharing of 1 electron. 3 hydrogen atoms used to perform sharing with this carbon atom. By the same way, This carbon atom will also perform sharing with 3 hydrogen atom, 1 hydrogen atom, like this, by the same another hydrogen atom. This one is another hydrogen atom. This hydrogen atom, it is another hydrogen atom, and this is the next hydrogen atom. One, two, three, four, five, 6 hydrogen atom. This is the dot structure, and now you can confirm its bond structure. Carbon-carbon performs sharing of 1 electron. Each and every carbon used to perform sharing with 3 hydrogen atom individually, like this. Okay, you can notice in both the structure only single bonds are present, which used to indicate about alkanes. This is said to be dot structure, and it is known as bond structure. Okay, this is the detail about saturated hydrocarbon, right? And now I am going to discuss about the second part of open chain hydrocarbon, and that is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon, second part. This is the second part of open chain hydrocarbon, means saturated hydrocarbons. Now about the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Generally, those hydrocarbons, those open chain hydrocarbons which have the existence of double as well as triple bonds, then such hydrocarbons are known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Means जिन हाइड्रोकार्बन में डबल या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड भी होते हैं, such hydrocarbons are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, means such hydrocarbons are further divided in 2 parts, and these 2 parts are: first, alkene, and other part is alkyne. These are the 2 parts. Means unsaturated hydrocarbon are divided in 2 parts: alkene and another part is alkyne. Now I want to explain in detail about alkene. Detailed explanation about alkene. You know about alkene, its general name alkene, means suffix is ene. In alkane it was ane, but in case of alkene ene. And general formula CnH2n. N is the number of carbon atom. Then hydrogen atom are just double to the number of carbon atoms. And bonding at least 1 double bond. At least 1 double bond. Okay. For example, is C2, then H. If N, we have to write here in place of N2, then H must be 2 2s are 4. And since here are 2 carbon, so 2 stand for 8. And since hydrogen has just double to this, then its common name will be ene, means ethene. Suffix is en. Prefix eth, C3, then H6. C3 pro means propene. C4, then Ha. If carbon is 4, then hydrogen must be 8. And C4 stands for bute. Prefix is bute, root name bute. And suffix ene means butene. Ethane, ethene, ethene, propene, and last one is the butene. Right? Now, we have to prove by sketching the structure, bond structure of any one compound, so that the presence of double bond used to prove. Right? Now we can take the example anyone just like C2H4. As for C2H4. And in case, no doubt, there are 2 carbon and carbon has 6, 2, 4. And hydrogen has only 1 electron in its outermost shell. So hydrogen will form only one single bond, but carbon can form 4 covalent bonds on account of its nature. Because carbon is tetravalent in nature. Now, try to see the bond structure of C2H4. 1 carbon atom. This is the outermost shell of 1 carbon atom. Right? And having 4 electrons. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Another carbon atom. This is the another carbon atom. It has also 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? These are the 2 carbon atoms and both have 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Both the carbon atoms used to perform sharing of 2 electrons. In this structure you can say this carbon atom and this carbon atom both used to perform sharing of 2 electrons. These 2 electrons are also present inside this carbon atom and both electrons of this carbon atom also present inside this carbon atom. Hence there is the sharing of 2 electrons. Now, 1 hydrogen atom also performs sharing. 1 hydrogen atom. There is also possibility of the 1 hydrogen atom and 1 2 hydrogen atom used to perform sharing with this carbon atom single bond individually by the same way here. Then you can see 2 carbon atoms and each carbon atom attached with 1 hydrogen atom. This carbon atom also attached with 2 hydrogen atom with single bond. Now since 2 electrons take place in sharing between both the carbon atom, so there is the possibility of double bond. Right? And now each and every 4 bond of carbon atoms are completed. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This is the dot structure. And this one is the bond structure of ethene. Ethene means which is one of the example of alkene. Right? By the same way you can draw the structure of any one compound and you will notice then in the structure of each and every compound belongs to alkene. Definitely have the existence of double bond between any 2 carbon atoms. Now about second part of unsaturated hydrocarbon, and second part of unsaturated hydrocarbon is alkyne. Now explanation about alkyne. Its general name alkyne means prefix is suffix is al means eth, meth and so on. Root name is here prefix and suffix is yne yne and its general formula that is Cn H2n plus minus 2 मीन्स जितने कार्बन एटम होंगे नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम कार्बन एटम के दूने से 2 कम एंड बॉन्डिंग एट लीस्ट 1 ट्रिपल बॉन्ड at least 1 triple bond. Okay, now we have to provide its example. For example, you can see as if carbon are here 2, then hydrogen, if we write here 2 in place of n, then 2 to 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 means 2 carbon and hydrogen atoms are also 2. If you write here carbon 3, then hydrogen carbon 3, then hydrogen 3 to 6 minus 2 means 4. And if you write here C4, then H 4 to 8 minus 2 6. Its name is to stand root name of carbon 2 is H and number of hydrogen is atoms are decided according to this formula. That's yne, its suffix is yne. So this is read as ethyne. And in this case, 3 carbon atom, root name of 3 carbon atom is pro. And follow to this structure, that's why its name must be propyne. And here 4 carbon atom, the root name of 4 carbon atom is but and suffix is yne, means butane. Right? Butane. These are the name related to alkyne, which is second part of unsaturated hydrocarbon. Right? And now we have to prove by explaining the bond structure of any one. And let us take the bond structure for C2H2 means ethyne. Right? 2 carbon atom, and you know well carbon atom is number 6 to 4 and it will form 4 covalent and hydrogen has only 1 electron. So in each and every compound hydrogen atom will form single bond. It will form only single bond while carbon atom used to form 4 covalent bond. Right? Ultimately you can notice here. You can notice something more, and what is that? Carbon 6. 4 electron and 2 carbon atoms are here. Then 1 carbon atom is this. This is one of the carbon atom. And another carbon atom is this. And both have 4 electrons. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. And this carbon atom, whose boundary wall is this? 1, 2, 3 and 1. You can notice here that both the carbon atom used to perform the sharing of 3 electrons here. Both the carbon atom used to perform the sharing of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 electrons to both. And now only 2 hydrogen atoms are present here. Then one of hydrogen atom used to perform the sharing of electron with this carbon atom, and other hydrogen atom used to perform the sharing up with this carbon atom. Like this. This is the hydrogen atom having 1 electron. Okay? And by the same another hydrogen atom. This is another hydrogen atom used to perform the sharing with this. Okay, this one is the, from this dot structure you can see that this hydrogen atom used to perform sharing with this carbon of 1 electron. This carbon atom sharing with this hydrogen by 1 electron, but the sharing between both the carbon of 3 electron. So there is the possibility of triple bond between both the carbon atom. Why? Because sharing of 3 electron take place. You can see here, and one hydrogen atom with this carbon, other hydrogen atom with this carbon. And now you can notice 4 covalent bond of carbons are formed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is correct. This one is the dot structure. And it is considered to be the bond structure. Right? It is completed. Hence we have to discuss open chain hydrocarbon in detail. Thank you.